In the song, come on, let me see you get gone. Baby mamas, this your song. Been pregnant for way too long. Now tell the DJ, turn it on. Turn it on.
If she a baby mama,
Go ahead.
she gon' do that baby mama.
Work.
She gon' put it on you. She gon' do that baby mama. Drop,
Drop
drop,
it down,
drop,
drop it down, down low.
drop, drop,
Drop it
drop,
down,
drop,
drop it down, down low.
drop, drop,
Drop it down, drop it down, down low.
Drop,
Do the
drop.
baby mama when I step out on the floor. 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4. Hit the baby mama when I'm stepping through the door. Yeah, I'm pregnant, but I got an ill flow. Tryna make some money, buy some Huggies from the store. S to the T-A, double R-K, to the E-I-S-H-A, and I don't play.
We are grilling outside today before Yomar leaves. Put that down, puppy. Put that down. Yandel is having garlic bread with some sauce, and the lighting is crazy over here. And Yomar's cooking some cheeseburgers, so we're gonna have some cheeseburgers today. I'm having a turkey sandwich, turkey burger, and then I already sliced my tomatoes. Yomar's also having some crab legs later on. And I like boiling the hot dogs before they are cooked in the grill, so you just cook them a little bit in the grill and give them that real taste to them. But those are Jaida's, and yeah, we're cooking, so let's see what Yomar's doing. I gotta bring him the cheese in the buns, so hopefully we have buns. Let's see. Yep, we have cheese. Oh, wait a minute. Yep, we have cheese and buns. So let's go see what Yomar's doing. Jaida, you ready for your hot dogs in a minute? Okay. You want more pineapple? No te llenes de la pineapple.
I want more.
You want more? So, my turkey's looking a little thick over there. I like that. You can't even tell the difference too, huh? Pa, te traje el queso y el pan.
I can't.
Jaida is having grilled pineapple, like always. But I'm gonna bring you hot dogs too to cook, okay? So,
Not good.
the garlic bread wasn't good?
No.
¿Por qué?
It's burnt. Mommy, look at that piece right there.
Okay, but that was a little piece. Te lo comiste todo. So yeah, what I was gonna say, the sprinklers are turned on outside, so the grass is getting some water. It hasn't even rained here, so terminate, papi. Okay. Bótalo, papa. I'm gonna get the hot dogs outside, and Yomar is actually, yeah, we're gonna make it. We're making it, papa. Yomar is actually leaving today, so we're having like a quick little cookout before he leaves. And yeah, he's got to go to work, so we're having a quick little cookout. That's what we're doing today. So yeah, got the hot dogs. Let me bring them outside. The only thing left is my turkey burger, and I put a pineapple. Got some mayo in my bun and some tomato. I'm also gonna add some Chick-fil-A sauce on it. So I think this is done now. And here is what it looks like. It looks so good, actually. I got this from Walmart. But this burger though. Okay, you guys, so we just finished eating. I am so stuffed. Turkey burger was delicious. I also had a s'more. So I just can't even breathe right now. That's how stuffed I am. But I totally forgot to show you guys and what's in the baby's diaper bag. His shoes that match that we purchased, and we forgot to put it together. His coming home outfit is so cute. If you guys want to see that video, I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. But I forgot to show you guys the little matching shoes. And we purchased this separate from the outfit. This was $10. But how cute are these little shoes, you guys? It's gonna look so cute with his outfit. I totally forgot we purchased this. I just found them and I'm like, oh my god, I'm so excited. I thought he wasn't gonna have like I thought he wasn't gonna have any shoes, and I had purchased these for like $1.99, I think it was. I purchased these at Rosie's thinking like, oh, he might not have any shoes, and I have now these little white ones, but I'm excited that I found the matching little red shoes. I'm gonna make sure to put them in his backpack now so I don't forget, but I'm so excited I found them. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. Now let me put them in here before I forget. All right, so I relaxed for a little bit but Yomar took the kids to ride bikes outside for a little bit, and now I'm just doing the garlic butter with a little bit of cilantro. This is the cilantro I use. It's like a little paste. I get this from Walmart, and I just added a bunch of butter, garlic, and some of that cilantro paste, and I'm gonna melt this, and that's what they're gonna have for the crab legs. I can't have crab legs. I'm allergic to crab legs. I usually cut the crab legs for them, but even that hurts my fingers. But I think I'm still gonna help them. What?
You can show them when Mama comes out. The kids see the baby.
Yeah. I'm looking for the crab thing to open the crabs. See if I find that way over here. Oh, so I found this, and yeah, we're gonna eat some crab legs in a minute. Well, not me, the kids and Yomar. So I'll show you guys that in a little bit. Okay, so we put it with a black bag. We took out the crab legs. Look, burnt. And I made this butter. I added a little bit of salt as well. And we got these little forks, 2 scissors, and the crab thing. We're waiting for this to cool down though. Pretty hot.
Are you eating it?
Come on. Yeah, right? We had to bring it inside because there was little bugs outside, like little flies.
It was hot.
So it was hot. But
Three of us.
yeah, Nati was here, but she left.
We got a glitter.
I think she didn't like the cilantro on there.
The seaweed.
So yeah, we're gonna do that. Take a shower because this kind of smells. And see you later. To this handsome boy over there. But I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Guys, today I'm going to be reading a baby shark book to my baby brother. Let's get started. There's baby shark swimming in the sea. Look right beside him, and who do you see? Daddy Shark. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Daddy Shark. Do 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 do. Daddy Shark. The end. Hope you like it. Bye.
Woohoo! Where's Nappy? We're in the pool. Yeah. Yo, I got my glasses. You don't have one?
No, I'm trying to look here. I can't really
He
see
forgot
it.
his. And I'm all dressed in black. Look. Go. It's really nice outside right now. Oh, okay. There's nothing. So today, Jedalise and I are making some meatball subs. We seasoned the meat, added some cilantro, some garlic, some adobo. We got some mozzarella cheese. This is like the string cheese, and we're just gonna roll up the meatballs here. And then we're gonna add them here in this sauce. I'm just warming it up. And we're gonna put them in some buns. Let's see if we find the buns. I got these buns to put them in.
We got
That's
all the
what-
Walmart brand, don't we?
And that's what Jaira and Natalia are gonna have, because I'm gonna have some tuna fish. So I can't eat red meat, but yeah. And look at how cute these vases are, you guys. This is my apples. I have to eat some apples, but I wanted to keep them away from the meat. I got these vases off the thrift store, and I painted the bottom because they were like a white. They look so cute. And I got this little bowl.
Okay, stop looking.
It's so cute. But
Cooking channel.
let's make the meatballs. So here are the girls' meatball subs. This is Natalia's. I just made her half. And Jaira got a big old meatball sub. And here is my tuna. I'm also gonna have it here, but I'm gonna toast this. And yeah, I added a little bit of cheese on top. And they're gonna have that with some green juice.